Hi there, this is MAQ PJ06. Today we'll be talking about quality audit types and their differences. Before we start, let's first understand what is an audit. An audit is a systematic, independent, and documented process to determine the extent to which audit criteria are met. Audit can be internal, first party, the organization audit itself, or external, second party, audit done by customer or on behalf of the customer, and third party, audited by independent organization or certification body, or even combined audit, two or more disciplines. Common audits conducted at many organizations are system, process, product, and layout inspection. Most organizations confuse process versus layout audit and product audit versus layout inspection. Today I'll be giving clarity on these topics. What is the difference between process audit versus layout audit? Process audit is done to a specific selected manufacturing or service process. Why? To verify process adherence to meet desired output and also improvement opportunity. Layout process audit is a sub-manufacturing process audit focused on a workstation. What is the difference between product audit versus layout inspection? With product audit, the evaluation is done on product from point of shipment to the customer backward to the source. Audit criteria are dimensions, length, width, diameter, gap, flashness, functionality, fitment, interactions with other products, packaging, type, size information, etc. Layout inspection is a dimensional evaluation of the product as per design record. Layout inspection requirements are included into the product audits. Thank you for watching. Please share this video